Hello, this is my review of Just My Style All About the Nail Art Kit. This is kind of like a practice kit you can get for your little girls. So if they want to have colorful nails and do different type of design and art on it, they can do this. They can have stickers on their fingernails. They could paint their fingernails different polishes. But it comes with fake nails as well, so you don't have to worry about them actually using it on their fingernails. Let me show you a little bit of a kid. Like, see these rolls here are stickers. You can peel these off and just stick them on the nails, make a design and stuff with those stickers. Then you have the nail polish over here. So get this out. Now this nail polish, it's not like real nail polish. It's kind of cheap, so it does what it needs to do for just giving them a taste of what it's like to use nail polish. But it seems kind of cheap though, so I wouldn't really decorate them with fashion just for playing around. I guess it's good for that, especially if you use it on the fake nails, not their real nails. I don't recommend they using that on their real nails, just the fake nails. So they have glitter there as well, and I have no idea what this thing here is for, but it's there. Anyway, I hope that this review helps, and yeah.